These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. That's dropped, and the ball just slipped through his fingers, and there's nothing he can do about it now. I'll tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Oh, that's put down. That's going to be painful for the bowler. He deserved a wicket there. Long leg in place. Expect some chin music from the bowler. Oh, beats the edge, and the batsman has played all around that one. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Oh, well bowled, a ripper. Oh, that's edged and four. Not much that he can do about that one. It looks in good batting form. That's a beauty. The batsman had to play at that one. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money.